Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to block shows on Netflix. Blocking shows on Netflix is quite straightforward. First of all, open up a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in netflix.com and search. Open up your Netflix profile and log into your Netflix account and open up your Netflix profile. And once you're inside this main homepage, mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right and click on Manage Profile. Select the profile that you want to manage by clicking on the pencil icon. Now from the Edit Profile page, scroll down and click the Edit button under Maturity Setting. Enter your Netflix account's password to continue. After you type in your password, you will be able to see this Viewing Restrictions page. Now, set the maturity level. Choose the appropriate maturity level for the profile, that is 10 plus, 7 plus, or all. If you want to block specific shows or contents that is not suitable for people under 13, then you can select the 10 plus option. Simply go ahead and choose the maturity rating from the options, and if you want to display the Netflix Kids experience with titles just for kids, make sure to check this Kids profile checkbox as well. To block a specific title, go to the title restriction section and enter the name of the TV show or movies you want to block. After you do that, click on the save button and you will be able to block shows on Netflix. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.